Hi, it's Darnell with Way Over Recipes, and today I'm going to be showing you something special when it comes to the Cuisinart digital air fryer toaster oven cooking up chicken nuggets from frozen. This surprised me, and so I want to show it to you, and we're going to get started right now. Alright, so here we have our frozen chicken nuggets. Of course, if you were doing it in a conventional oven, you would have to preheat to 400 degrees. That's going to take you about 5 minutes or more. And then you've got to heat them for 11 to 13 minutes after the preheat. In most like air fryer oven or digital toaster oven, convection oven type cookers, it's taken like over 10 minutes, usually about closer to 15 minutes for me to cook chicken nuggets. But not with this Cuisinart digital air fryer toaster oven. So I'm going to get a bunch out. Alright, this is basically my bag's empty now, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I have 8. You can do more, but I have 8. So what I'm doing here, just putting it, I've got the baking pan underneath, air fryer basket on top of it, put it on the second rack, that's rack position number 2 in the Cuisinart digital air fryer toaster oven. Now I'm going to turn it on. I can hit the air fryer button to jump right to my air fryer options. And I'm going down to nuggets. And now that I'm at nuggets, it just shows 10 minutes, and I've done this before, so it's showing a little defrost icon. If I take the defrost off, it thinks I'm doing nuggets that aren't from frozen, and it'll do 15 minutes for 400. But for frozen, ironically enough, you hit the defrost button, it shows 10 minutes at 400 degrees, and you think, well, why does it need 5 minutes less for something that's frozen? Well, we're going to see here. I'm going to hit the start button, and I'll bring you back in 10 minutes. Alright, we're coming into the last 20 seconds, and I just want to tell you, there may be some cookers out there that can cook your chicken nuggets in 10 minutes, and you say, well, it's not a big deal that a cooker can cook chicken nuggets in 10 minutes. But let me show you how done these are in just 10 minutes. I mean, let's check this out. And this is just 10 minutes. Have a look at that. Look at how cooked. I mean, they're like burnt on some of them. There's burnt on them. That's how far cooked they are in just 10 minutes. No preheat. All I did was put them in and start it up. And you can see that the temperature for the temperature gauge is continuing to rise. They're, up into the 180s and continuing to rise in temperature. That's how hot these chicken nuggets are in just 10 minutes, no preheating. We're getting into like near 200 degrees. They're, burnt over. Although there are cookers that may do in 10 minutes, I have never had a cooker that could cook as far as like these air fryer toaster ovens or Nuwave oven or power air fryer oven elite, you name anyone that I've used other than maybe the Range-Made Pro that could cook chicken nuggets so quick, so thoroughly. And so this is incredible. This outdoes other cookers as far as just something like a simple chicken nugget cook. And that's pretty impressive. I think it's because it's got 4 heating elements up top, plus the air fryer fan up top, which you may or may not want to count as a 5th heating element, all up top, spewing hot air down. And I guess using that defrost button, I think that, it just works great. Alright, gonna get one plated here. Let's just get, I'll get this one back here. It's not overburnt. I mean, some of these are just like overdone. I mean, 10 minutes, that's incredible. Gonna get the camera swap, do a taste test. Alright, here's our chicken nugget. And so we're gonna just do a quick taste test. Now the chicken nugget's totally done. And so basically with the Cuisinart digital air fryer toaster oven, if you want to cook your chicken nuggets, you might want to go under 10 minutes. Because if you do 10 minutes, which is their default, you're going to have overdone chicken nuggets, which is better than, like I said, any of the other cookers that I've been testing out for this type of air frying game. And so, maybe there are some smaller compact air fryers that can do it like that because they're so small. You let me know in the comments if you've experienced one, maybe. But a full-size like air fryer, toaster oven, or oven style air fryer, to me, it tops the charts. It tops the charts. So, you know, it just knocks it out that quick. Anyway, you can find plenty of recipes and heating instructions at superwaveovenrecipes.com. You can get direct access to this YouTube channel anytime by going to waveovenrecipes.com. Also, Twitter and Instagram are Wave Oven Recipes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video with a friend. Leave any of your comments. I read them all. Subscribe to the channel. And good eating.